Welcome. If you want to adjust display resolution in your Microsoft Surface, go to, and first you have to open the settings. Next you have to go for the system. And when you are in the display options, you have to scroll down and find display resolution. Currently it's set up on the Full HD as a recommended value, but if you plug, for example, the external monitor, you can change it like you want. For example, we can go for this one. You can keep changes or revert. And that's how you can set up a very available display resolution. I'm going back for the recommended. So, if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.